Today we learn birds name in English and Hindi with pictures. Let's start. Sparrow. Sparrow means goraya. Goraya. Eagle. Eagle means garud. Garud. Peacock. Peacock means more. More. Robin. Robin means robin. Robin. Owl. Owl means ullu. Ullu. Crow. Crow means kawa. Kawa. Pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Kabutar. Hawk. Hawk means baaz. Baaz. Kingfisher. Kingfisher means nilkant. Nilkant. Flamingo. Flamingo means flamingo. Flamingo. Swan. Swan means hens. Hens. Woodpecker. Woodpecker means लकड़ी के कीले. लकड़ी के कीले. Hummingbird. Hummingbird means hummingbird. Hummingbird. Seagull. Seagull means seagull. Seagull. Pelican. Pelican means pelican. Falcon. Falcon means baaz. Baaz. Ostrich. Ostrich means suturmurga. Suturmurga. Canary. Canary means canary. Canary. Duck. Duck means buttock. Buttock. Finch. Finch means finch. Finch. Albatross. Albatross means albatross. Albatross. Quail. Quail means butterfly. Butterfly. Vulture. Vulture means geet. Geet. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means koyal. Koyal. Blue jay. Blue jay means blue jay. Blue jay. Toucan. Toucan means toucan. Toucan. Nightingale. Nightingale means bulbul. Bulbul. Kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi. Kiwi. Wren. Wren means wren. Wren. Magpie. Magpie means magpie. Magpie. Kite. Kite means chill. Chill. Snowy owl. Snowy owl means barfila ullu. Barfila ullu. Sunbird. Sunbird means sunbird. Sunbird. Swallow. Swallow means bara basanti. Bara basanti. Stork. Stork means stork. Stork. Blackbird. Blackbird means kala kauwa. Kala kauwa. Puffin. Puffin means puffin. Puffin. Parrot. Parrot means tota. Tota. Magpie robin means magpie robin. Cormorant. Cormorant means cormorant. Cormorant. Grosbeak. Grosbeak means grosbeak. Starling. Starling means starling. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक दे, चैनल पर नए थे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।